Hi everyone. Today, I'm walking you through the specific steps to master this tool so you can communicate more effectively with your team. Step 1. Accessing the clip feature. There are 3 primary ways to find the recording depending on your current task. First, you can go to the Clips hub in your sidebar and click the New Clip button for a general recording. Second, if you are already working inside a specific task, look for the video camera icon located right in the comment field. This is the fastest way to leave visual feedback. Finally, if you can't find it, open your Quick Action menu, go to ClickUp, and make sure Clip Screen Recording is toggled on so the feature is always ready when you are. Step 2. Choosing your recording type and audio. Once the recording window appears, you need to select the right capture mode for your needs. You can choose Entire Screen to show every move you make across different apps, Specific Window to focus strictly on one program while hiding your desktop, or Current Tab for a clean web-based walkthrough. Most importantly, check your audio settings before you start. Ensure your preferred microphone is selected in the drop-down menu, and verify that your input levels are active so your narration is captured clearly the first time. Step 3. Using recording controls. When you are ready, hit the Start Recording button. You will see a floating toolbar overlaid on your screen that gives you real-time control over the session. If you need to pause to pull up a document or catch your breath, use the Pause button to halt the recording without creating a new file. If you make a mistake, you can hit Restart to begin the session fresh. Once you have finished your explanation, click Stop. ClickUp will immediately handle the upload to the cloud, meaning you never have to wait for rendering or deal with manual saving. Step 4. Sharing and embedding your clips. As soon as the recording ends, your clip will automatically open in a new browser tab for you to review. From here, you have several distribution options. You can download the video directly to your device for archival purposes, or copy link to generate a shareable URL for external clients. However, the most effective way to use this is to embed the clip directly into a ClickUp task. This keeps the visual instructions attached to the relevant work, streamlining your team's communication and cutting down on unnecessary meetings. Setting this up takes just a few seconds, but it will save you hours of typing out long explanations. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.